early July, here together with Dill, Anetum graveolens, plant family Apiaceae or Apiaceae, also known as umbelliferae. Now a relatively common herb, cultivated and occasionally naturalized throughout. It originated in northern Africa and the Middle East. Multiple cousins in this plant family of Apiaceae are used culinary. Delicious herbs such as parsley, cilantro, lovage, vegetables, carrots, celery, parsnip, and numerous spices: caraway, coriander, cumin, anise. Besides these delicious herbs, vegetables, and spices, this family of Apiaceae also contains deadly poisonous plants, such as poison hemlock, water hemlock, as well as species that can induce phototoxicity. Even the cultivated parsnip leaves, when touched, can lead to phototoxicity, which means you can develop rashes next time your skin that was touched by them is exposed to the sun. Besides the cultivated parsnip, there are also species of so-called wild parsnip, species in the genus Heracleum, that also can induce phototoxicity. An annual herbaceous plant, dill grows best in full sun, rich but well-drained soils, germinating soon after the soil warms up and taking off as the summer sets in. Conditions depending, it can grow 50 centimeters to 2 meters tall from a taproot similar to a carrot. Stems upright, slender, hollow, with longitudinal ridges of varying shades of green. More upright before the storm came through the other day. Leaves alternate, 10 to 20 centimeters long, finely and multiply divided to divisions that are only 1 to 2 millimeters wide. Very similar in appearance to another cousin, fennel, whose leaves are not as soft as dill leaves. Dill leaves are softer to touch when compared to fennel leaves. Also, when in person, you would definitely tell the difference by smell. Fennel has its own characteristic smell, different than dill's characteristic smell, that once you know it, you can identify dill just by smell. When summer sets in, dill will bloom, numerous umbel inflorescences. In this case, compound umbels, having numerous smaller umbels. The rays of an umbel originate in one point, the exterior rays being longer, creating a flat or domed-shaped inflorescence, an umbel, which is why this family is also called umbelliferae, as in carrying umbels. The individual flowers are small, yellow, scented, attracting numerous pollinators. After pollination and fertilization, fruits are produced. What we call seeds in this plant family are actually fruits. A schizocarp, a small dry fruit that will split in 2 equal parts, each containing a small seed. While numerous culinary applications use its fine fragrant leaves, their seeds, the actual fruit, are a delicious spice as well, and their delicate fragrant blooms are even more potent than their leaves. Used culinary in salads, spices, as an edible decoration, and pickles. Yes, dill pickles, and not just cucumber dill pickles, so much more. If you like its flavor, why consider adding more dill to your nutrition? Like most herbs, it contains antioxidants, which may help prevent and alleviate symptoms of chronic inflammation, heart disease, Alzheimer's, and rheumatoid arthritis. It contains vitamin C, which in its own, it's an antioxidant. It contains beta-carotene, which our bodies transform to vitamin A. Adding more dill to your nutrition might help reduce blood sugar levels. Dill contains monoterpenes that have antiviral, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and anti-cancer properties. More dill, anyone? Dill contains calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, all important for bone health. And essential oils extracted from dill have shown antibacterial properties. While generally safe for consumption, in some individuals, it can cause allergic reactions. And like most herbals, concentrated extracts of dill should be avoided during pregnancy and breastfeeding. But caterpillars of several species of butterflies native to North America have adapted to enjoy its leaves and flowers. More dill, anybody?